Lathe machines are the unsung heroes of modern manufacturing, shaping everything from car parts to intricate jewelry with jaw-dropping precision. Ever wondered how these mechanical marvels work their magic? Today, we are diving deep into the science behind lathe machines, uncovering their origins, innovations, and why they are still a cornerstone of industry. Stick around, this is going to spin your mind. Welcome to Objectified, the channel where we unravel the science and stories behind the machines and objects that shape our world. In this video, we are exploring the lathe machine, a device that has been turning raw materials into precision parts for centuries. From its ancient roots to its high-tech modern forms, we will break down how lathes work, why they matter, and throw in some surprising facts that will leave you amazed. Let us get started. The story of the lathe begins over 3,000 years ago in ancient Egypt. Artisans used a simple bow lathe, where a cord wrapped around a workpiece was pulled back and forth to spin it, allowing them to carve wood or stone. This was not just a tool, it was a revolution in craftsmanship. Fast forward to the Middle Ages, and the pole lathe emerged, using a foot pedal to drive the spinning motion, freeing up the artisan's hands for more precise work. These early lathes were all about human power, but they laid the groundwork for the precision engineering we see today. By the 18th century, the Industrial Revolution brought metal lathes, capable of shaping harder materials like iron, which fueled the rise of factories and mass production. The lathe's core principle is simple. A workpiece spins while a stationary cutting tool shapes it. This concept, known as subtractive manufacturing, is the foundation of all lathes. From ancient wood-turning devices to today's computer-controlled giants. What makes the lathe so special is its ability to create symmetrical, cylindrical objects with incredible accuracy, something no other tool could match in its early days. The lathe's big break came during the Industrial Revolution, when steam power and later electricity transformed it into a powerhouse. By the 19th century, lathes were equipped with screw-cutting mechanisms, allowing for the production of standardized bolts and screw-ski components of the machine age. The introduction of turret lathes in the late 1800s was another game-changer. These machines could hold multiple tools, switching between them automatically, speeding up production like never before. Enter the 20th century, and lathes got a high-tech upgrade with the invention of computer numerical control, or CNC. CNC lathes use digital programming to control every movement, achieving precision down to micrometers. These machines can churn out complex parts for aerospace, medical devices, and even smartphone components with zero human error. Today, hybrid lathes combine turning with milling and 3D printing, pushing the boundaries of what is possible. The lathe has not just evolved, has reinvented itself to stay ahead of the curve. The science behind modern lathes is mind-blowing. Take spindle speed, for example. Determines how fast the workpiece spins, and getting it right is crucial. Too slow, and the cut is rough. Too fast, and the tool overheats. Then there is the cutting tool itself, often made of ultra-hard materials like carbide or diamond-tipped for durability. The physics of chip formation, how material is shaved off and curls, relies on precise angles and forces, balancing friction and heat. CNC lathes take this to another level with real-time sensors that adjust parameters on the fly, ensuring flawless results. Lathes are more than just machines, they are cultural icons. In the 19th century, they were symbols of industrial progress, enabling the production of everything from railway wheels to ship propellers. During World War II, lathes were critical in manufacturing weapons and vehicles, with entire factories dedicated to turning out precision parts. Today, lathes are celebrated in maker communities, where hobbyists use desktop lathes to craft custom pens, chess pieces, and even musical instruments. The lathe embodies the human drive to create, blending art and engineering in a way few tools can. In education, lathes are a staple in technical schools, teaching students the principles of machining and design. Channels like Blondie Hacks and This Old Tony on YouTube have brought lathe culture to the digital age, showing millions how to turn raw metal into functional art. The lathe is not just a tool, it is a bridge between generations of craftspeople, from ancient artisans to modern makers. Here are some wild facts about lathes you probably did not know. Did you know the world's largest lathe, built by Waldrich Segon, can machine parts up to 250 tons? That is like turning a small building. Or that lathes have been used to create parts for NASA's Apollo missions, including components for the Saturn V rocket. Even the intricate filigree on luxury watches, like those from Patek Philippe, is crafted using precision lathes. And here is a quirky one. In the early 20th century, lathe operators were so skilled they could feel the machine's vibrations to adjust settings, almost like playing a musical instrument. Another fun tidbit: the lathe inspired the term spin doctor. Just as a lathe shapes material, spin doctors shape public opinion, nod to the machine's transformative power. And if you think lathes are only for metal, think again. Modern lathes can shape glass, ceramics, and even chocolate for high-end culinary designs. The lathe machine is a testament to human ingenuity. From its humble beginnings as a hand-powered tool to its current status as a high-tech marvel, the lathe has shaped our world in ways most people never notice. Its blend of physics, engineering, and artistry makes it a cornerstone of manufacturing and a symbol of creativity. Whether it is crafting a spaceship part or a custom guitar neck, the lathe proves that precision and imagination go hand in hand. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the science of lathe machines, give this video a thumbs up and share it with anyone who loves engineering or making things. Got a lathe story or a project you have worked on? Drop it in the comments below. We would love to hear about it. And do not forget to subscribe to Objectified and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching Objectified, where we celebrate the objects and machines that make our world extraordinary. Until next time, keep exploring, keep creating, and keep spinning those ideas. See you in the next video.